In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change thermostat on 2019 Dodge Caravan. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have this particular model or a model from any of the other years, you will be able to replace the thermostat by following these general steps. Of course, this requires careful attention to detail, especially when dealing with the coolant system. I'm going to give you a breakdown of the general process along with important considerations. First, for the coolant, draining and refilling the coolant system is a necessary part of the job. You must ensure that you have a suitable container to drain the old coolant and dispose of it properly. And also use the correct type of coolant specified for your Dodge Caravan. Refer to the owner's manual for this information. Always allow the engine to cool down before starting this repair, so make sure that you power it off and you let it cool down. Once the temperature has cooled it down, you will be able to start this process. You will need basic tools such as sockets, wrenches, pliers, and possibly a screwdriver. So you will be able to find the thermostat at the bottom. It is going to be buried below a lot of these components, so usually you will have to remove them in order to have an easier time accessing it. So if needed, undo any screws, any bolts, in order to access the thermostat buried below all of this. The thermostat is housed in a plastic housing, so be careful when removing and installing bolts to prevent damage. Don't over-attach them. And in order to start this, locate the radiator plug. So the petcock and carefully drain a portion of the coolant into a container. So after you locate the actual position on your particular model, you will be able to drain the coolant. Removing the radiator cap can help speed up the draining process, but do this only when the engine is completely cool. The location can vary slightly, but it's typically where the upper radiator hose connects to the engine. So when you locate this particular spot, you will be able to remove the bolts that secure the thermostat housing. So remove any of the necessary bolts that you see on the thermostat housing. Be prepared for some coolant to spill, and then you can take the old thermostat out. Inspect the housing, clean any debris and corrosion, and install the new thermostat, ensuring that the orientation is correct. Install a new gasket or O-ring if provided, and once you reinstall the housing and you tighten the bolts to the specified torque, you will be good to go. Reinstall any of the components that you removed and refill the coolant. I hope I was able to help you on how to change thermostat on 2019 Dodge Caravan. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.